Deep down in your heart, there is a feeling that is both beautiful and frustrating, a kind of love that seems just out of reach, almost like a distant dream. But here's the secret: the universe is whispering to you, and these celestial guardians, your angels, want you to know that this elusive love is actually closer than you could imagine. From the very first heartbeat that echoed this love, there was a shift in the atmosphere around you, a spark of energy that went beyond mere coincidence or chance. This is not just a fleeting encounter, it is a deep bond that the universe has lovingly created just for you. Even on dark days, when doubts settled in and you wondered if this connection was merely an illusion, a deeper part of you knew that there was something real and beautiful waiting to unfold. Your angels have been by your side at every step of this journey, wrapping you in their light and keeping a watchful eye on your struggles. They witnessed those lonely nights filled with questions about what the future holds and felt your heart ache with longing and uncertainty. And they want you to understand that every tear you've shed and every smile you've held back are leading you to a significant turning point, one where this seemingly impossible love will emerge and transform your reality in ways you can't yet visualize. What may surprise you is that the person you've been dreaming of is also grappling with their own feelings. Despite their best efforts to move on, forget, or ignore the attraction they feel for you, something inside them continues to pull them back. They are dealing with the same questions that arise in your mind. Why do these feelings just not go away? What is it about this bond that keeps pulling at my heart? Now, as fate would have it, the barriers that keep you apart are starting to crumble. Your angels are working tirelessly behind the scenes, orchestrating every thought and action, guiding you closer and closer to each other. You are about to realize that this love, once believed to be just a fantasy, is about to become your reality. Do you feel that excitement bubbling up? It's time to embrace the magic that is unfolding around you and trust that everything you have been through has led you exactly to this moment. The desire of your heart may be more tangible than you ever expected, and the journey towards your impossible love is just beginning. Get ready, wonderful surprises are on the horizon. But above all, there is something fundamental that you need to remember. Keep your heart open and your faith strong. The angels are whispering to you that the moment to act is getting closer and closer, and the way you prepare for it can really define the course of the love you desire. They are by your side, helping to pave that path, but they need you to believe, to keep the flame of hope burning brightly. The love you hold in your heart is a powerful force, and it is no accident that it reveals itself with such intensity. The angels see everything you have faced, constant challenges, doubts that emerge like shadows, and those critical moments when you question whether it is really worth it to continue believing in something that seems so distant. However, at this very moment, they are sharing an incredible secret with you, a mystery that has been kept in the depths of the universe. This love that seems unattainable is actually an essential part of your destiny. From the moment your paths crossed, something changed in the energies around you. In that moment, you may not have realized, but there was a part of you that already knew that person was important to your journey. The universe, in all its wisdom, began to align the stars to enable this meeting. Every step you took and every choice you made brought you closer to this significant moment. The angels also reveal that this special person felt this deep connection, even though it scared them at first. Sometimes, when something is so grand, so meaningful, it can be intimidating. Just like you, this person also hesitated to surrender to a feeling that had the potential to transform everything in their lives. They tried to pull away, to ignore the intensity of this love, but every effort to escape only made the power of that feeling stronger, more inevitable. Have you ever imagined what this means? It's as if the universe is conspiring in your favor, even when fears try to take control. And now more than ever, it's time to believe that the wait and the struggle are worth it, because this love, with all its complexities and depths, is getting closer to revealing itself. Dear soul, have you stopped to think that nothing in life happens by chance? There is a greater force at work, and the angels have been working tirelessly for this special love between you to flourish. They are breaking down invisible barriers, guiding the thoughts of the person you love. It's as if they are softly whispering your name, constantly reminding this person of you, making signs appear at every corner that make them reflect on what really matters. Have you noticed some changes recently? Those longer gazes, the little messages that seem to have a different meaning. None of this is just a product of your imagination. In fact, the truth is that this person is starting to realize that the love they feel for you is something that cannot be ignored. No matter how much they may have tried to move on, the heart always leads them back to you. It's almost as if destiny is pulling the strings, intertwining your lives in a unique way. The angels have a special message for you. The waiting time is coming to an end. They are working on the heart of that person, helping them deal with their doubts and uncertainties, and they are almost ready to take a step that could change everything. But here's an important thing: they also want you to prepare. When this love finally reveals itself completely, it will be something truly intense and profound, just as you've always dreamed, but that you may have feared you would never find. However, the angels also remind us that it takes a little patience. Even though this love is so close, it still needs to be nurtured with care. Just like something that is beginning to bloom, it requires time, attention, and above all, faith. Please don't lose hope, even when things seem uncertain. The angels are working tirelessly to ensure that everything falls into place at the right time, in a way that you could have never imagined. They are there, always watching over so that your true love can manifest in the most beautiful and transformative way possible. What you must do now, dear soul, is prepare with an open heart. It's time to welcome the love that is about to enter your life fully and truly. Set aside all doubts, the fears that surround you, and the uncertainties that take away your peace. Try to open yourself to the wonders that the universe has in store for you, because what is to come is much greater than you can imagine. The angels are by your side, walking with you every step of the way, ready to guide you on this journey so that you can finally experience the love you have always dreamed of. When this love arrives, prepare to feel as if time has stopped. You will look back and realize that every pain, every moment of waiting, and all the uncertainty you have ever lived has been worth it. What you are about to find goes beyond the ordinary. It's a love that seems to have been written in the stars, a love that is all yours, something that you truly deserve. With every step you take towards this new phase, remember that the angels are watching over you, guiding you and ensuring that you are never alone on this journey. They know the tough nights you have faced, the moments when the shadow of fear and uncertainty threaten to extinguish the light of hope that shines in your heart. But this light, believe it, is indestructible. It shines brightly, even behind the darkest clouds, driven by the strength of your desire and the power of destiny. This love, which so many times may have seemed like a distant and unattainable dream, is actually a promise from the universe, a promise that is about to come true. The angels want you to understand that everything that has happened in your life so far has had a purpose, a way to strengthen your spirit and prepare your heart for the beauty that is yet to come. The universe, with all its wisdom, knows exactly when each thing should manifest, and the perfect moment for this love to blossom is approaching quickly. So, dear one, keep your heart open and be ready to embrace this new and grand experience that unfolds before you. Have you noticed that something is changing around you? Those subtle signs, almost like tiny whispers from the universe, are beginning to emerge, pointing to a future you have always dreamed of but have hesitated to fully believe in until now. Perhaps you have caught a different glance from someone special, felt a more affectionate gesture, or heard a word that echoed exactly when you needed it most. These moments are the first signs that the energies of the universe are aligning, preparing the ground for this love to transform your life as you have always wished. The angels are here to remind you that the person who occupies your thoughts and your heart is also noticing these changes. Even if they have tried to ignore or fight against what they feel, something deep is happening within them. It's as if, little by little, awakening is occurring, revealing the essence of what truly matters in their life. And what truly matters, above all, is the genuine love they feel for you. You know, it's fascinating to think that this person is starting to understand that, no matter how much they have tried to distance themselves, there is no way to escape what destiny has carefully planned. They may have put up barriers or withdrawn, but the evidence is piling up, and these emotional fences they created are slowly coming down. The angels, with all their love and dedication, are working behind the scenes, dispelling doubts and clearing their mind. What are they beginning to see with new eyes? That you are the missing piece in their life, the piece they didn't know they were looking for until this moment. However, this journey is not at all simple, is it? This is where the beauty and the difficulty of love come in. The angels understand that, even in the face of so much evidence and signs, a part of you may be feeling a certain apprehension about what is to come. This feeling is completely natural, as the human heart is both fragile and extraordinarily strong. It carries scars and memories of past loves that perhaps didn't work out, and we always have that fear of being hurt again. But the angels are asking you to, at this moment, set those fears aside. So, how about trusting? Trust them. Trust the universe. And, above all, trust in yourself. You deserve to believe that this love can be real and that this moment of transformation is within your reach. The journey may be challenging, but it is also filled with hope and possibilities. Are you ready to take that step? What is coming in your life promises to be incredible and truly transformative. You know that love that seemed so distant, like an unattainable dream? The good news is that it is closer than you imagine, ready to become part of your reality. But here is an important warning. For this to happen, it is crucial that you allow yourself to fully open your heart. Set aside uncertainties and open yourself to what the universe is reserving for you. The angels are here to encourage you to believe. Trust that everything is flowing in the right direction, even if at times things seem confusing or challenging. And there is much more that the angels want you to understand. The truth is that this special person you have in mind is also on a path of self-discovery. At this moment, they are in a space of deep reflection, evaluating their decisions, facing their fears, and more importantly, contemplating what they truly desire for the future. With each passing day and each new reflection they make, they get closer to the undeniable truth. You are the love they have always sought, even if only now they are beginning to realize this. The signs of a significant change are in the air. The angels indicate that this person is about to make a decision that could transform everything between you. They are strengthening themselves, facing their own inner demons, all to connect with you in a way that is more intense and sincere than ever before. Get ready, for in the days or weeks to come, a clear sign of this transformation may arise. It could be an unexpected message, a meeting that seems to be by chance, or even a declaration that will reveal feelings that have been hidden for so long. When that special moment arrives, and it will arrive, the angels ask you to be not only alert but with an open heart. They wish for you to welcome this person with a warm embrace, full of love and empathy. Remember that this journey has not been easy for either of you. Both have faced your own challenges and uncertainties along the way. Now, however, it is time to leave those burdens behind and focus on what truly matters, the authentic love that blossoms between you. Are you ready to transform your life with this new chapter? The angels are by your side, ready to guide you every step of the way, and they have an incredible message. What is coming into your life is much greater than any dream you have ever had. This special love, which may have seemed a bit distant or even impossible at times in the past, is finally about to become a reality. But for that, you will need courage, a good dose of faith, and above all, to be willing to let go of the ties of the past and open yourself to the wonders that the future has to offer. Get ready, dear soul. What is approaching is grand, powerful, and exactly what you have always wished for in your heart. The angels are here to remind you that it is important to trust the process of life, to believe that everything is unfolding as it should, and that this is, in fact, the opening of a new and exciting phase in your personal journey. Now that you understand the depth of this love that is about to bloom in your life, it is essential that you are fully receptive to everything that the universe has prepared for you. The angels are tirelessly working behind the scenes, aligning the energies in an incredible way to ensure that each step is taken at the perfect moments, allowing that long-awaited love to finally blossom in the way it always should have. In the coming days, you may start to notice even deeper changes in the energies around you. Have you ever stopped to think about how the little things can be grand signs? It could be a whisper in the wind, a dream that seems more vivid than reality itself, or even an inexplicable feeling that something transformative is about to happen. These signs come from the angels, who are here to ensure that you know the long-awaited moment is approaching rapidly. And the most surprising part? That special person, who for so long struggled with their own feelings, is finally starting to see the clear truth. The angels show that they are moving in your direction, with a more open heart and a clearer mind than ever. The doubts that once haunted them have begun to dissipate, making way for a renewed determination to live the love they have always felt, even if they never found the courage to admit it. Get ready for this beautiful new phase of your life. Believe me, you deserve every little piece of this love that is on its way. The angels are gently nudging you to stay alert, to truly tune in to the subtle signs that the universe is sending your way. Have you ever noticed a song playing on the radio that seems to speak directly to your heart? Or perhaps you've received a message out of nowhere that resonates deeply with you. These little moments are not mere coincidences. They are the guiding hands of the angels, softly assuring you that a beautiful reunion with that special love is just around the corner. However, it is crucial to remember that with this wonderful transformation comes a final challenge. Before this love can fully blossom in your life, you will need to confront some of your own fears and insecurities. There may be a part of you holding back, afraid to let go completely, still nursing old wounds and hoping to avoid more pain. The angels see these fears and want you to know that they are here to support you every step of the way. They want to remind you that you possess a resilience that transcends any pain you have ever experienced. Trust is the key on this journey. The angels encourage you to surrender to the process, allowing the love you have always desired to flow into your life without resistance. This is a moment of remarkable transformation, a moment when everything you have ever dreamed of is on the verge of becoming your reality. But for this to happen, You must be willing to release everything that no longer serves your highest good. Reflect on everything you have been through. Consider it as preparation, a kind of training for this crucial moment. Each challenge and every obstacle has only served to strengthen you, equipping you to receive this love with open arms and an eager heart. The angels are softly whispering that this is your time, the moment when all the pieces of the puzzle of your life come together. Soon, you will see the complete picture unfolding, revealing a bright future filled with love and joy. Are you ready to embrace it? Now, imagine being invited to take that leap into the unknown with a mix of courage and confidence. What would it be like to open your heart to someone who is about to enter your life in a truly meaningful way? When this genuine love finally comes into focus, you will realize that every moment of waiting, every flicker of doubt, was part of a beautifully woven tapestry, guiding you to this very moment. Imagine this, when you and that special person finally reunite, exchanging glances and recognizing that this love has always been destined to blossom, it will feel as though the universe conspired to create a moment filled with magic. What once seemed like an unlikely dream will transform into the most stunning and powerful reality you could ever imagine. The angels, those gentle guardians of your journey, want you to truly celebrate this incredible milestone. They encourage you to embrace the joy and sense of completeness that come with the fulfillment of such a sincere wish. This is just the beginning of a remarkable adventure that you both will share, where each step is guided by love, unwavering faith, and the comforting realization that your paths were meant to cross. As you navigate this new chapter, the angels are urging you to hold on to your belief and keep the beacon of hope shining brightly, even during challenging moments. It's vital to remember that you are never alone on this journey. Those celestial beings are right there with you, guiding your choices and supporting each of your decisions so that this beautiful love can flourish in all its glory. So, as you fill your heart with gratitude and let your spirit be renewed by the exciting possibilities ahead, prepare to dive into the love you have always dreamed of experiencing. The moment is now, and the love that once seemed out of reach is finally ready to be embraced in all its depth and beauty. Are you ready to live this incredible journey? Allow your spirit to truly absorb these empowering words, letting them resonate deeply within you. The universe is on your side, always eager to bring about the best possible outcomes, no matter what choices you make. Take a moment to affirm this by saying, "I embrace, receive, and accept my destiny along with all the wonderful gifts the universe has in store for me." By doing this, you are claiming this powerful message and all its blessings meant just for you. Why not take a moment to leave a positive comment for other women who may be seeking a bit of encouragement in their day? Acts of kindness like yours do not go unnoticed by the universe. They create waves of positivity that uplift us all. Let's join forces to elevate ourselves and create a wave of good energy around us. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now is the perfect time. You're going to want to stay tuned for the important messages waiting for you in our next video. May God and the universe illuminate your path with peace, love, and unwavering faith. Amen. Together, let's spread positivity and support one another on this journey. After all, we are all in this together.